What's going on, everybody? It is me, Jay Renard, and I am back. I know it's been a while since we've had one of these full-on top-down videos. I just got my stuff out of storage and shipped here. My house is not remotely unpacked, but the channel must roll on. The channel must roll on. And today is yet another one of my favorite videos, unboxing day. But there's a lot going on. Let's get to it, shall we? All right, first things first. I am now no longer headquartered in Yokosuka, Japan. I am headquartered in the Rio Grande Valley, Texas. Very, very South Texas. Depending on where I'm at, when I'm driving on the highway, I sometimes get Mexican T-Mobile service. I love it. It's pretty cool. Next up, we'll go with the first thing and we're checking out, and that is something in line with all the good old leathercraft. I've got a new beveler, and quite honestly, I should have had a new one a while ago. So let's go ahead and check this one out. And what I mean when I say I should have had a new one a while ago, I mean that I've had a number 0 and a number 2 beveler for a long time, and they've done quite well for me. But they're just, for some things, it's just a little too much or not enough. Gotta do this off camera. There we go. So yeah, I have a 0, I have a 2, and I have a 3. District Leather Supply, not sponsored, out of Atlanta. They are the only supplier that I know that's in the US that has replacement Palosanto blades. A huge fan of Palosanto, love their work. And I was gonna just buy the blades because you can swap them out when you have a small enough Allen key. But then I saw that they were selling their own custom unique handles for the Palosanto edge bevelers, and I absolutely had to go for it. So this one here, the 1 and also the 0, these are really great for the thinner leathers. So I'm talking the 2 ounce and below. Really great. So for the ones that are either 2 ounces normally, or you've skived down, but you still want to make sure that that edge isn't just square on the sides, one of these is money. The 0 is not bad, but the 0 was just not working for me for a lot of things. And I absolutely had to get this one here. But I've used Palosanto for years. I love their stuff. District Leather Supply always comes through. They were great with the shipping when I was overseas. Even better now because they're only 1 time zone away. Loving this. Can't wait to use it. The review will be coming shortly, I promise.